Hello and welcome to the campus of Santa Margarita Catholic High School, located in the city of Rancho Santa Margarita, California. Hi everybody, I'm Paul Higgins, the Director of the Broadcast Journalism and Television Production Department right here on the campus of Santa Margarita. Behind me is our set for our daily live show that we do each and every day called Eagle TV 2.0. It is totally student-driven in a state-of-the-art studio, which in fact many colleges across America, they don't have. Here at SM, we have so many fabulous classes and great programs to offer. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to 8 fabulous teachers and chairs of their department so they can share with you their great classes and their exciting programs. So why don't we get started?
Hi, my name is Karen Creed and I am the Science Department Chair here at SMCHS. I have been teaching here since 2009 and have served as department chair since 2015. My husband and I are also SM parents. 3 of our 4 sons graduated from this school and our youngest son Tyler is a freshman here this year. The science department has an enthusiastic group of teachers who are passionate about what they teach, who want to give students a chance to not just learn science, but to really do science. We are committed to giving students many opportunities to make sense of phenomena in their world, make and test hypotheses, and make claims based on evidence. Our goal is to develop students who can think scientifically even if science isn't their passion. Freshmen here will be placed into one of 3 courses based on their math and reading high school placement test scores: Concepts of Science, Biology, or Biology Honors. If a student takes Concepts of Science as a freshman, then they take Biology as a sophomore. Following Biology, students will take one of 3 levels of chemistry. From there, students have the opportunity to select science courses that interest them, and we have lots to choose from. For those interested in engineering, we offer Introduction to Engineering and Robotics, Design Tech IB, and a variety of physics courses, STEM, AP, and IB. We also encourage participation in our award-winning after-school FRC robotics team, Assembly Required. For students interested in the medical field, we offer AP and IB Biology, Anatomy and Physiology, and Sports Medicine. In addition to these courses, we also offer ocean marine biology, earth science, and various levels of environmental science. We really do have something for everyone, and we hope to see you as an Eagle on our campus soon.
Hello, my name is Francisco Calvo, and I am the Performing Arts Department Chair and the Director of Performing Arts. I've been teaching here at SM for 12 years. One fun fact about me is that I was the Showcase Showdown winner on The Price is Right. We have many classes available to freshmen in theater, dance, instrumental music, and choir. Freshmen can audition into the advanced or honors classes and can enroll with the director's approval. The Performing Arts Department is unique because of our philosophy. At the core of this philosophy is an acknowledgement that each student's individual creative potential is a gift from God to be nurtured and used for a greater purpose. We strive to answer one question: how might artistic talent help to create a better world? Through our classes, students learn how artistic communication, context, experimentation, and skill can impact society. As a result, SM is well known for its incredible performing arts productions, concerts, and festivals. Our groups have performed in amazing places, and our productions have received numerous awards. Our orchestra has performed in Carnegie Hall. Our choir sang for Mass in the Vatican. Our dance team has taken first place in national competitions, and our talent theater has won the Best Musical Award at the annual Macy Awards. We are extremely proud of our many achievements and accolades. This school achieves this level of artistic excellence because we nurture creativity in light of our faith, our commitment to the charism of Caritas Christi, and our values of social justice and global citizenry by empowering students to employ their artistic talents to make a better world. Come be a part of this. We're excited to meet you and help you find your place at SMCHS in the Performing Arts Department.
Hi, my name is Brian Cooper, and I'm the chair of the Religion Department as well as a religion teacher. I have over 30 years of experience in education, and this is my 8th year here at SM. I am a former missionary priest and worked in Colombia, South America for 11 years amongst the poorest of the poor. I see great value in bringing those missionary experiences into the classroom through sharing the valuable stories of the families that live there. These experiences help students to center their own Christian identity in light of our faith and in the teachings of Jesus Christ. All incoming freshmen take Religion 1, which puts students on a path of discovery through looking at the sacred scriptures and trying to answer the question of who is Jesus Christ. Moving forward, students then take courses by looking at the church, sacraments, and ethics and morality. By senior year, students are choosing from a variety of courses that include world religions, church history, social justice, philosophy, and peer ministry. There are also IB courses offered, junior and senior year, that include philosophy, sacraments, ethics and morality, and world religions. What's unique about our department is the exciting and creative teachers that really care about the students. They truly strive to make the classroom experience enlightening and enjoyable, using all kinds of different activities for all the different learning styles. We embrace people of other faiths and have a genuine and open discussion about faith and our relationship with God. Thank you for taking a look at our great school, and we hope to see you in the coming years to be a part of our great team here at Santa Margarita Catholic High School.
Welcome. My name is Melissa Coleman and I'm the assistant to the math department chair. I've been teaching math at SM for the past 5 years. A fun fact about me is that I played professional softball in Germany for 1 season. As you're preparing for high school, testing and transcripts will play a role in your class placement for your freshman year. Placement is based on your current course in the 8th grade, your high school placement test score, and the SM math placement test, which is usually given during the last week of April and the first week in May. The SM placement test will determine whether you are placed into Algebra 1 or Algebra 2. The HSPT combined score on the quantitative and math section must meet the minimum combined score of 1235 or higher to be placed into honors. If the 8th grade course is not a high school equivalent Algebra 1 course, these students will be automatically placed in Algebra 1. While you're a student at SM, you will have 30 different math classes to choose from. For more details, go to the course description booklet located on the school website. Some interesting and advanced classes we offer include Intro to Computer Programming, AP Computer Science, STEM, AP and IB classes, and much more. We hope you have a wonderful day and are looking forward to having you at SM.
Hello, and welcome to Santa Margarita. My name is Tom Gerlach, and I chair the World Languages Department. We have several language options for students, including American Sign Language, Ancient Greek, French, Latin, Mandarin Chinese, and Spanish. In addition to our academic courses, we offer honors classes in most languages, IB and AP courses, and an auxiliary studies course. If you are wondering which language to choose, my advice is to choose whichever one interests you. If you still can't decide, here are some advantages to the different languages. ASL allows conversation with the 600,000 deaf Americans. Ancient Greek is the language of the New Testament, biology, medicine, science, and philosophy. French is spoken by 265 million people around the world. In addition to being the official language of the Church, Latin continues to be the language of education as the basis for nearly all technical, scientific, and academic vocabulary. Mandarin is a growing language in the Pacific Rim, and Spanish is of clear and immediate benefit in Southern California.
Hello everyone, and a special welcome to our prospective freshmen. I'm Colleen Berry, and I am the chair of the English department here at Santa Margarita. I am the mother of 2 Santa Margarita graduates, and this is my 15th year teaching here. In fact, it was my experience as a parent of 2 Santa Margarita students that made me want to teach at this fantastic high school. The English curriculum here at Santa Margarita is designed to make our students superb writers and ready for the demands of college. But along the way, you'll read some great literature from both classic and contemporary authors. Perhaps you'd like to learn how to produce an award-winning student newspaper. Then our journalism classes are for you. Do you enjoy creative writing? Then plan on joining our Mandala Club and be part of the group that produces our annual literary magazine. And if you want to challenge yourself, then our advanced placement and international baccalaureate classes are those to strive for as juniors and seniors. So enjoy your tour of our beautiful campus and know that Santa Margarita is a special place for a special person like you. See you around campus next year.
Hi, my name is Christina Rising with the Visual Arts Department. I'm going on my 5th year of teaching at SM. At Santa Margarita, we offer so many different visual arts courses, it's almost hard just to choose one. Freshmen can sign up for art, graphic design, photography, film, and 3D sculpture and design with no experience necessary. For students that have previous art training, they can submit a portfolio for consideration of placement into the drawing class, which is an intermediate level class. Portfolio reviews happen in May, and more information will be posted on the website. The Visual Arts Department offers many opportunities for students to showcase their work on and off campus. Our students have been very successful in placing into local, state, and national contests. We host an annual art show on campus in the spring semester, as well as showcase artwork at Segerstrom Performing Arts Center during the Nick Krause Memorial Concert. In addition to contests and shows, students can be a part of the National Art Honor Society, a program meant to inspire and recognize students that have an outstanding ability and an interest in the arts. We believe artistic expression should be available to all students and that all students should have a safe environment to explore, create, and develop their talents and interests. Whether you are a student looking to fulfill your 1-year visual arts requirement or a student that is interested in taking art all 4 years, we have a spot for you.
Hi, I'm Tessa Fleming, Chair of the Social Studies Department. This is my 14th year teaching at Santa Margarita. Before that, I was a student here. A fun fact about me is that I love trivia competition and was even on Jeopardy! In social studies, our freshmen all take cultural geography, but have 2 options. One option is to take a semester of cultural geography with a semester of health. Students also have the option to take the year-long cultural geography Model United Nations honors course. Model United Nations, or MUN, is our award-winning program that is a simulation of the real United Nations. In MUN, students play the role of delegates representing countries of the United Nations and compete in conferences held all over the world, from Orange County to London to Prague. Our Social Studies department is awesome and offers great classes. AP and IB classes like AP Government and AP US History, courses to prepare you for a career in law or business like Intro to Law, Fundamentals of Business Ownership, IB Economics, and IB Business Management, and great electives like America's Civil War, World War II, AP Art History, and AP Psychology. Social Studies has something for everybody. Hope to see you here soon.
So what do you think? So many great opportunities and classes that we offer here at SM. I want to thank our 8 extraordinary teachers that joined me today so they could share all of their classes and their departments. They are absolutely fantastic. I know you're interested in SM, so if you want to come on campus and take a tour, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is contact our admissions department. Send Mr. Ron Blanc an email. He'll be sure to take great care of you. And when you get on campus, please come by and see me at the Eagle TV 2.0 studio. Until next time, I'm Paul Higgins. Thanks for watching.